Laziness is not your friend. It's your enemy.
Oh.
It's the silent killer of your dreams. Every single day, when you open your eyes, you step onto a battlefield. You may not see the swords, the shields, the blood, but it's war. A war. Inside your mind, one voice is whispering, rest. Stay comfortable, sleep a little longer, you've earned it. That voice is seductive, soft, tempting. It sounds like it cares about you, but it doesn't. That voice is the assassin of your destiny. Then there's another voice. Fierce, relentless, the voice of the warrior. It says, get up, rise, push. You are not built for mediocrity. You are built to fight. That voice won't soothe you. It won't comfort you. It will demand more than you think you can give. It will drag you to the edge of your limits and force you to climb higher. The question is, which voice do you obey? Because the choice you make over and over again decides the man you become. If you obey the soft voice of laziness, you live as a prisoner. If you obey the lion within, you rise as a conqueror. This war is not fought once. It's fought every morning, every hour, every decision, and those who win inside will win outside. Comfort feels good, but it's killing you. Comfort is seductive. It wraps around you like a warm blanket. It tells you, stay here. You're safe. You've done enough. And for a moment, it feels right, but comfort is a lie. Comfort is a coffin lined with pillows and excuses, where your potential is slowly buried alive. Every time you choose comfort, you trade strength for weakness. You trade growth for stagnation. You trade power for decay. The great men, the warriors, the champions, they knew something most people never understand. True life begins where comfort ends. The gym, the grind, the sweat, the aching muscles, that's where kings are forged. Not on couches, not in beds, not scrolling on screens. Greatness demands sacrifice. It demands pain, and that pain is the fire that purifies you, strengthens you, elevates you. The couch will keep you soft. The bed will keep you weak. But the fire will make you unstoppable. Don't let comfort steal your crown. Don't let laziness rob you of your throne. Every time you feel the pull of comfort, remember, coffins are comfortable too. And the lazy man is already dead while breathing. Every excuse you make is another chain around your life. Listen carefully. Excuses are the poison of progress. You think they protect you. You think they justify your weakness. But every excuse you make is another chain locking you in mediocrity. I'm tired. Chain, I don't have time. Chain, I'll start Monday. Chain, each lie you tell yourself becomes another link, another weight pulling you deeper into failure. Until one day you wake up and realize you're shackled, not by the world, not by others, but by your own words. Excuses are seductive because they give you an escape.
Oh.
They let you avoid responsibility. But responsibility is the only path. To freedom, discipline is the weapon. Discipline is the key. Discipline is the hammer that smashes chains, the sword that cuts lies in half. You don't need more motivation. You don't need someone to scream at you. What you need is discipline. To show up when you're tired. To push when you're weak. To fight when no one is watching. So stop speaking excuses. Stop building your own prison. Hear me clearly. You are either fighting for your freedom or you are forging your chains. Every choice you make brings you closer to victory. Or closer to slavery. You've got two futures in front of you, fire or ashes. Close your eyes and look ahead 10 years. See yourself clearly. One version of you is powerful, strong, respected, a man who pushed through weakness, conquered laziness, and built a life worth remembering. His eyes burn with fire. His presence demands respect. His life inspires others. Now see the other version. He's broken, tired, ashamed. He wasted his time. He let excuses win. His body is weak. His spirit is crushed. He doesn't even recognize himself in the mirror. He's ashes. Forgotten. Which one are you becoming? Which version are you feeding today? Because the truth is simple. You don't. Rise to the future you dream of. you fall to the habits you build now. Every workout adds fire. Every decision to resist laziness is fuel for greatness. But every skipped day is every excuse, every surrender. That's ashes. That's weakness. That's the man no one remembers. You stand at the crossroads right now. Fire or ashes, strength or weakness, warrior or slave. The choice is yours, and you make it not once in a lifetime, but every single day. This is your wake-up call. No more waiting, no more weakness. Stand tall, feel the ground beneath you. Breathe in deep. This moment right here is the line in the sand. No more excuses. No more surrender. No more weakness. You have wasted enough time. You have given laziness too many victories, but today you rise. Today you declare war, not on the world but on the man inside. Who has kept you small, weak, average? You are not average. You are not meant for mediocrity. You were born with fire in your veins. You were built for war, for discipline, for greatness. But it's not going to be handed to you. You must earn it. With every rep, with every sacrifice, with every moment, you choose pain over comfort, fire over ashes, discipline over excuses. This is your call. The world does not need more excuse makers. It needs warriors, leaders, kings. And that king is waiting inside you, chained and silent, till you break him free. So rise, train, fight, push, do not stop, until your body aches, until your lungs burn, until your soul screams. That's when you'll know. You're alive. The lazy man dies before his time. The disciplined man lives forever.